this thing is it's completely different now. So it records every route that you do, so you can go back and fetch it from your history. You can combine routes. You can take individual locations off of routes. And when you want to add stuff, when you want to add new addresses to a multi-stop route, you can share from maps now. And come in here. Now you can just share a location to multi-stop nav. You get to pick which, if you have a lot of address lists that are recent, it will let you pick which one of the recent ones you want to save to. Otherwise, it makes a new one for you. And for some reason, notifications aren't showing up. I think that has to do with screen mirroring. Normally, it would be popping up notifications saying added stop 1, added stop 2.
The one thing I don't like about notifications with shortcuts is maybe I haven't figured out how to stop it, but they're perpetual and they stay on your lock screen. I never use them anymore. I just use a show result.
So you go through here.
Maybe I have to change my shortcut settings or something.
Yeah, you have to set it to use I forget what they call it. Banners are perpetual, and then there's something else. So you can add a bunch of stuff there. Go back to shortcuts. It picks up where it left off. It creates a temporary file when you do this sharing from maps thing. So you erase the temporary file. Now I've got 4 stops in the list. And now I can go ahead and create an optimized route. And you'll get a few different permissions the first couple of times you run the shortcut. And then it sends the number 4 to maps. Also, it checks for updates once you're all done now. And then here's your optimized route between all the places that I shared from maps. So
Yeah,
very
that's
cool.
awesome. That is super awesome.
There's a few more bells and whistles I'm going to throw on here before I do the version 1.1 release. Uh, I'm also going to make it so that you can share a contact, one or more contact cards directly with it, and then select from a list of locations from those contacts. And then you'll also be able to share calendar events with it and select locations from that. That way you can share stuff from all over the phone in order to build up this list of locations. And when you're finally ready, you just hit go and off it goes. And then once you've done a route, you can come in here and you can load from your previous lists. And now I've already got my 4 stops.
That'd be great for people who have delivery routes or things like that. And I could have used this when I was a lemonade delivery man. Just random, I know.
Yeah, this is potentially really useful. And now the user interface is just fantastic. So you can go through, you can see all the different lists that you've saved, and these are just human readable, just a list of addresses. And if you want to erase them, you can just erase them from files.
Yeah. Well, it looks like we
So
got
so
some
this is cool.
background noise from Ashbit.
So looking forward to the next release of this. Just got to get these last couple of import types taken care of, and then it's good to go. And this one's fun. In case you've missed this one, uh, this shortcut solves the traveling salesman problem using costs between locations based on drive time or drive distance or straight line distance, and then it does that to dynamically create optimized multi-stop routes. And it's had a lot of buzz and a huge number of downloads. So I released it 2 days ago, and it is now my second most downloaded shortcut.
Nice.
So that's fun. And the user interface for the current version really sucks. So I'm excited to get this updated version out there that makes it feel more like a proper user interface.